हाय गाइस, चलिए शुरू करते हैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल बाय यूजिंग हियर एसिडिक डाइक्रोमेट. ओके, एसिडिक डाइक्रोमेट. सो एसिडिक डाइक्रोमेट. Okay, acidic means there is presence of acid. Let us suppose there is presence H2SO4 as a acid. And dichromate, what is the structure of dichromate? Cr2O7 2 minus, Cr2O7 2 minus. This is dichromate. Also you can write it in salt form, Na2Cr2O7 or K2Cr2O7. This is sodium dichromate, this is potassium dichromate. Let us suppose take sodium dichromate. Okay, so what will happen when sodium dichromate get mixed with H2SO4 acid? What will happen? Here is the reaction. You can check Na2Cr2O7 sodium dichromate to sodium dichromate. If you give H2SO4 sulfuric acid, what it will form? It will form 2 moles of chromium trioxide, CrO3, 2 moles of chromium trioxide. You can balance the reaction. This is already balanced. 2 moles of CrO3 and Na2SO4, sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 plus water will release. Okay, this water molecule is important for oxidation step. So all of you mark it. Instead of Na2Cr2O7 and H2SO4, we can write directly as CrO3. Okay, remember 2 moles of CrO3 are forming and 1 mole of water here is forming. Okay, so प्राइमरी अल्कोहल में केस में क्या होगा? प्राइमरी अल्कोहल, राइट, प्राइमरी अल्कोहल और 1 डिग्री अल्कोहल. 1 डिग्री अल्कोहल will oxidized, will be oxidized. 1 degree alcohol will be oxidized to aldehyde. पहले बार ऑक्सीडेशन करोगे तो अल्कोहल को aldehyde मिलेगा. When further oxidized to this aldehyde, while further oxidation we will get what? From aldehyde we will get acid. While further oxidation we will get what? कार्बोजिलिक एसिड मिलेगा हमको, कार्बोजिलिक एसिड. ओके, so let us see the mechanism of it. So primary alcohol OH, this is primary alcohol CH3 CH2OH. Here is 2 alpha hydrogen H and H, CH3 CH2OH. To this if you give, instead of Na2SO4, I am writing again here what we are using, dichromate. Na2 sodium dichromate, let us suppose sodium dichromate plus H2SO4. Okay, so sodium dichromate when mixed with H2SO4, what it will form? It will form 2 moles of chromium trioxide, 2 moles of chromium trioxide plus Na2SO4 plus water. Okay, so instead of Na2Cr2O7 and H2SO4, we can directly take chromium trioxide as a oxidizing agent. Okay, so chromium trioxide CrO. Okay, in the first step, similar step, oxygen lone pair attack to chromium and this bond moves over to oxygen. It will form O as oxygen donates its electron pair, positive charge over oxygen. Here 2 alpha hydrogens are there attached to chromium. Here O, this bond moves over to oxygen, O minus, double bond O. So next time में क्या होगा? यहाँ पर देखो Na2SO4. Okay, you can write Na2SO4 as SO4 2 minus. Okay, this is in salt form and this is in ionic form, NaSO4 2 minus. So SO4 2 minus here is present. SO4 2 minus takes the hydrogen from this hydrogen, this bond moves over to electron deficient oxygen atom, as the positive charge over electronegative element is not stable. So it will form, what it will form? 2 hydrogen, alpha hydrogen attached to O, chromium, double bond O. Here O minus, double bond O. Okay, so here HSO4 1 minus, HSO4 single minus. Okay, SO4 2 minus takes 1 hydrogen, it will form HSO4 minus. In the next step, what will happen? O minus, here there is 2 alpha. This step is always important. So O minus will take the hydrogen, alpha hydrogen. There is 2 alpha hydrogen, any alpha hydrogen it can take. This alpha hydrogen, let us suppose this bond goes over to carbon oxygen single bond to form carbon oxygen double bond. Okay, so carbon oxygen double bond it forms. Well, this and this bond moves over to chromium. Okay, so here is CH3. This is what is the structure of this? Name is, what is the name of the structure? This is aldehyde. So in the fast oxidation of primary alcohol, we are getting aldehyde. Okay, up to this it is finished. So in the remaining part is what? Cr double bond O, OH double bond O plus HSO4 minus. In the next step, what will happen? in the solution I told you that this water plays an important role, okay, in the if there is presence of water, okay, what will do water will behave as a nucleophile here. The oxygen lone pair of water will attract to again to that aldehyde which is formed at this step. So what will happen, and this bond moves over to oxygen, it will form CH3HO minus, here is OHH. This is water get attached to carbonyl center, and as oxygen donates its electron pair, then the positive charge over oxygen of water molecule. In the next step what will happen, oxygen is again electron deficient, so वो इलेक्ट्रॉन जो बॉन्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन खुद की तरफ खींच लेगा, कैसे, the O minus will takes the hydrogen from here and this bond moves over to oxygen. Okay, what it will form, CH3HOH. Here is 2OH. In the next step what will happen, we have now in the solution another you can take, there are formation of 2 moles of CrO3. So another moles of CrO3 in the reaction you can take or you can use. Okay, CrO3, there are similar step like this, O minus attack to chromium center, what it will form, CH3H. रिएक्शन तब तक जाएगा जब तक यहाँ पर अल्फा हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट होगा, ये बेसिक कंसेप्ट है. So O attached to this O, oxygen donates electron, then positive charge over oxygen. So O attached to chromium, double bond O, double bond O, double bond, and this bond moves over to oxygen, not double bond O minus. Okay, in the next step similarly, what is the present, HSO4 minus in the solution. Okay, always charge balance takes place now. So HSO4 minus again takes the hydrogen and this bond moves over to oxygen. After taking HSO4 hydrogen, it will form what, H2SO. It will again form H2SO4 in the solution. Always charge balance takes place. So OH, O, shear, double bond O, O minus plus H2SO4 in the solution. Okay, so in the next step what will happen, तो यहाँ पर अभी अल्फा हाइड्रोजन है, तो O minus again takes the hydrogen and this bond moves over to carbon oxygen single bond to form carbon oxygen double bond, and this bond moves over to chromium, and here C double bond O, OH, CH3. This is nothing, this is carboxylic acid. Okay, and the further oxidation of aldehyde, okay, by using second mole of chromium trioxide, we are getting what, carboxylic acid. Understand? अगर सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल होगा, राइट, सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल, okay, gives, secondary alcohol gives what, ketone. Secondary alcohol gives ketone. Okay, and further oxidation of ketone to form carboxylic acid is not possible, because after formation of ketone in the next subsequent step there will be no alpha hydrogen present. That is why further oxidation of ketone is not possible. So secondary alcohols only give ketone, not carboxylic acid. Okay, reason, because of there is no alpha hydrogen after formation of ketone. Ketone यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, ketone molecule CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This is ketone or not? And to this carbon already tetravalency, and there is no alpha hydrogen to this carbon. That is why no further oxidation is possible in case of secondary alcohols. So secondary alcohols gives ketone. So what is the mechanism? Similar mechanism. This is secondary alcohol. To this chromium trioxide we are using, instead of Na2SO4 and H2SO4 we are using chromium trioxide. Okay, structure. Okay, so first step, oxygen will attack to chromium, this bond moves over to oxygen, it will form O, as oxygen donates electron, positive charge over oxygen, chromium double bond O minus double bond O. Next step में क्या होगा, SO4 minus from Na2SO4 is present in the solution, takes the hydrogen and this bond moves over to oxygen, it will form O, Cr double bond O, double bond O. Okay, here O minus. Okay, next step में क्या होगा, here is only one single alpha hydrogen present, but in case of primary alcohol there were two alpha hydrogens, but here we have only one alpha hydrogen. Means one alpha hydrogen means only one step oxidation takes place, not further oxidation takes place. So O minus takes the hydrogen, this bond moves over to carbon oxygen single bond to form carbon oxygen double bond, this bond moves over to chromium, it will form CH3 CH3, this is CH3 CH3, C double bond O. This is structure of what, CH3 CH3, right? This is structure of ketone. Okay, Further oxidation is not possible because there is no presence of any alpha hydrogen. Okay, possible. So this is secondary alcohol. So what happens to tertiary alcohol? Simply tertiary alcohol do not oxidize by using acidic dichromate. Okay, tertiary alcohol, right? Tertiary alcohol do not oxidize. Why tertiary alcohol oxidize क्यों नहीं होगा? Reason, same reason. Tertiary alcohol की structure देखो. This is structure of tertiary alcohol. So this carbon attached to CH3 tetravalence. There is no alpha hydrogen. This is alpha carbon. There is no alpha hydrogen attached to this alpha carbon. As there is no alpha hydrogen attached to this alpha carbon, okay, thus the reaction will not proceed further. It will not, tertiary alcohol will not be oxidized by using acidic dichromate as oxidizing agent. So tertiary alcohol will not oxidize. It will not give any product. Okay, got it? So till now we have discussed about the oxidation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol by using different oxidizing agents such as pyridium chlorochromate. In first pyridium chlorochromate, second alkaline KMnO4, okay, and in third by using acidic dichromate, okay, by using acidic dichromate. So we have also discussed this mechanism. So similar mechanism for oxidation of alcohol by using concentrated HNO3, but by using concentrated nitric acid. I am giving the hint for you. This is a homework for you to write the mechanism of this. Similar mechanism like PCC, alkaline KMnO4 and acidic dichromate by using concentrated HNO3. This is a homework for you, okay, to write the mechanism of this. So I am giving the hint. So primary alcohol, similarly primary alcohol or 1 degree alcohol, when it oxidized, it will in the first step it will give aldehyde. In the second oxidation, okay, subsequent oxidation, it will give carboxylic acid. Okay, so mechanism is similar to those three. Okay, if secondary alcohol is oxidized, it will give what? It will give ketone. On further oxidation, here is little exception, okay, further oxidation it will again give carboxylic acid. So how the mechanism is still not understandable. So just remember, secondary alcohol when oxidized it will form ketone, further oxidation it will form carboxylic acid. Similarly tertiary alcohol, the concentrated HNO3 is a severe oxidizing agent. So when tertiary alcohol oxidized, it will in the first step dehydration process takes place. In the dehydration it will form an alkene. Let us suppose alkene RCH, R1, R2, let's suppose RC, this is an alkene. It will, through the process of dehydration, tertiary alcohol will form in the first oxidation process, it will form alkene. On the further oxidation, it will form 2 moles of carboxylic acid. Okay, and the mechanism of this reaction, okay, is not still revealed. So जो कोई भी रिवील करेगा उसको प्राइज मिलेगा. Okay, this is the hints. So you can do the mechanism, I know. So just try the mechanism at home. Okay, see you in the next class. Stay happy, stay strong. Okay.